So guys, you wanted to install Claude Code into your Windows. I'm going to show you right away how to do this really easily. So you try to install Windows, the actual Claude Code directly into Windows. The process is going to be really easily. So the one-line installation is to open an standard PowerShell Windows as an administrator showing the PS prompt. So there's two ways how I can actually add the Claude Code. The first way is to focus directly where it says cloud.com product Claude Code. Directly inside here, what you want to do is to look out for the option that says get the Claude Code. So here you can get the actual element that says the desktop verification element. So you can download out the actual cloud, so you can get the chat, Claude Work, and Claude Code all in just one place. This is for the actual application to make this process really fast. Now, the only thing that I need to do is to hit into the element that says Windows. If you have an actual REM64, you want to hit into the element that says download, so you can get the actual link, so you can use this specific element to download this into your computer and go straight directly inside your download, so you can double click directly inside here. So once you find this element, you go for install and you are actually good to go. The second option that you can focus on is back directly into the Claude Code element. So here what you can do is to look out for the element that says Claude Code, and you can get your actual terminal here directly inside this element. So basically here into this actual terminal, I'm going to focus directly into my Claude Code. You can read the actual documentation if you wanted to make this process really fast. So basically what I need to do is to focus directly into my Windows PowerShell, so I can go directly inside this element, so I can copy this element. If you're using an actual PowerShell, you paste exactly this command, and basically you hit into the element that says enter. I'm going to show you something that actually is going to be looking something like this. So what you got to do is just to paste the actual link that you have seen directly into the actual documents. And now sometimes there's a native installation exists, but the bin local, for example, is not into the path. The navigation to the system properties actually doesn't work. So this is where almost every Windows developer gets to trade up. The install might finish, but when you type Claude, Windows says it doesn't recognize the actual command. You want to just place directly into the Windows R, and here what you can do is to type the sysdm.cpl, and you can hit enter and go to the advanced tab to click into the department variables and look out for the user variables at the top, and look out for the path and go for the edit and hit into the new, so you can get a new local and a new bin path, and you can actually get started by doing that process in a very easy way. So to make sure everything is running flawlessly, you can type Claude Doctor in all the systems go, and you will be now ready to get started there. So basically, if you run into any path issues, you can let us know into the comments below. You can check out more about the Claude Code documents directly inside here. Just in case you have any questions, you can let me know once again down below in the comment section. But in a very easy way to make this process much more faster, usually what I do is just to focus into the actual application to make this process much more faster, and you can get started with the Claude Code directly inside the application. You don't have to focus directly inside there, and everything will be only in just one place. So hopefully it was very useful information for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you all next time.